गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारंभां शंकराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरं लोकशंकरम्। ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। यतो वाचो निवर्तन्ते अप्राप्य मनसा सह आनन्दं ब्रह्मणो विद्वान् न बिभेति कदाचनेति। तस्यैष एव शारीर आत्मा यः पूर्वस्य तस्माद्वा एतस्माद्मनोमयात् अन्योन्तर आत्मा विज्ञानमयः तेनैष पूर्णः स वा एष पुरुषविध एव तस्य पुरुषविधताम् अन्वयं पुरुषविदः तस्य श्रद्धैव शिरः ऋतं दक्षिणपक्षः सत्यमुत्तरपक्षः योग आत्मा पुच्छं प्रतिष्ठा तदप्येष श्लोको भवति। Having seen about the pranamaya sharira, then we saw the importance of this mantra, how the manomaya kosha is made up of this mantramayam, and what are its other questions and answers we saw now. Tadapyesha sloko bhavati manomayatma prakashakah purvavat. Now, further about manomaya kosha and then vijnanamaya kosha introduction. So both. So that is the glory of manomaya kosha and the introduction or introducing the vijnanamaya kosha in this anuvaka. Yato vacho nivartante. From where speech returns. That's the meaning. Aprapya manasa saha. Without attaining. Because when you send like remote signal into the space to find out some object, and the signals return stating that we could not reach the object or we could not find out what it is, so they come back. It happens. At least signals are at least genuine or honest in reporting that we could not do. They come back, but no data is collected, no information is collected, nothing, no news, blank paper, a blank screen, nothing, no information, no inference is possible. But the only thing is it traveled and traveled and traveled, signals very vast in space, and returned. They came back. Similarly, the instruments what we have, the mind is diverted in inquiry to know the nature of Brahman. The Rishis have declared, Upanishad says, that yataha, from where? From Brahman here. From that supreme, when we send that mind in inquiry, when we divert that mind to know both intellect and mind, along with the speech, manasa saha, vachaha, from where the speech has returned along with the mind. Meaning what? It is something like that. When we inquire, when we send some signal, it comes back to us reporting nothing, a blank report. Similarly, when mind and speech, when we try to utter it through speech, the nature of Brahman, speech returns, stating that I don't know, no inference, nothing is possible, I could not get any information. Mind also says aprapya, without attaining that Brahman, it returned. Now more about this bhashya, we will see in subsequent, in the 9th Anuvaka, again this verse comes, this sentence comes. Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. This will come again 9th Anuvaka. Now we are in 4th Anuvaka. So 9th Anuvaka, when it comes, Acharya explains there exhaustively. So we will take up that time. But presently the meaning is there from where the speech along with the mind returned without any data related to Brahman. So these instruments have failed. That's the meaning. Aprapya manasasaha ityadi. That's all. Thus, tasya purvasya pranamayasya esha eva atma shariraha sharire pranamaye bhavah shariraha kaha sa esha manomaya. Now, that pranamayasya esha eva atma, this manomaya sharira is the atma of its preceding one, the pranamaya sharira. So purvasya, tasya purvasya, kasya manomayasya purvasya, that is pranamayasya sharirasya esha eva atma manomaya. Where is it? Pranamaye bhavaha. It is seated in the pranamaya sharira. So that preceding one to the mind, manomaya kosha, that is preceding one is pranamaya sharira. So pranamaya sharirasya atma is manomaya. Where is it? Pranamaye bhavaha, which is located in pranamaya sharira. Now what is the meaning of its location? We have saw that. So don't misunderstand. It's not Brahman. That way then Brahman is the most small size packed somewhere. It's not all pervading. No. So that example we saw. So kaha sayesha manomaya. Who is that? The self of this pranamaya sharira, manomaya. Tasmadva etasmad ityadi purvavat. Tasmadva etasmat manomayat anyondara atma vijnanamaya. Tasmadva etasmat. Tasmat, that Brahma. Etasmat, relating the Brahman alone, which is expressing as this. So this we saw. So purvavat, already explained. So there is nothing. Tasmadva etasmat va ityadi purvavat. Anyontara atma vijnanamaya manomayasya abhyantaro vijnanamaya. Now, another atma is there, atma of the mind. This inside to that abhyantara atma, inside the manomaya kosha, there is another atma called vijnanamaya. What is atma? The support we saw immediate, the immediate cause. Human definitions. So anyaha, other than this manomaya kosha, atma vijnanamaya. Name is vijnanamaya. Its name is manomayasya abhyantaraha. Now because these are all words we already seen. What is inside? What is the meaning of atma? So I am not repeating. So there is vijnanamaya kosha is there. Vijnanamaya is atma of the manomaya. Manomaya is atma of pranamaya. Pranamaya is atma of annamaya. Okay. What is manomaya? Manomaya vedatma uktaha. Vedatma. Vedatma means manomaya atma is nothing but full consisting of Vedas. Why? We saw no? Tasya yajure vashiraha rugdakshina pakshaha samottara pakshaha adesha atma atharvangirasa pucham pratishtha. What is the manomaya kosha? It's all made up of Vedic mantras. Vedatma. So Vedatma uktaha. This also we saw. What is Yajuhu, what is Ruk, what is Sama, what is Brahmana Atma, that is Adesha Atma, and what is Pucham. All those things we saw. Now, Vedartha Vishaya Buddhi Nischayatmika Vijnanam. What is Vijnanam here? No, because Vijnanamayaha is said now. What is Vijnan? There is in the Manomaya Sharira, there is another Atma, Abhyantara Atma called Vijnanamayaha. Now, what is Vijnanam? Vijnanam, now is Acharya is telling Vijnanam. What is Vijnanam? Vedartha Vishaya Buddhi. Vedartha Vishaya Buddhi, Vedartha Vishaya Nischayatmika Buddhi Vijnanam. Meaning what? Nischayatmika Buddhi. What is Vijnanamaya? The wisdom, Buddhi, the firm wisdom, what, or we can say that the wisdom about the contents of Vedas, Vedartha Vishaya, all the subject matter of Veda, Vedic subjects, the subject or the contents of Vedas, Vedartha Artha Vishaya, Vedasya Artha. So, Veda is only one, so we can say Vedasya. That meaning, the meaning of the Vedas, whatever has been there, the meaning of Vedas. So, the contents of the Vedas pertain to that contents, the wisdom. So, wisdom regarding the contents of the Vedas. Which kind of wisdom here? Leading to Nischayatmika, meaning is firm conclusions drawn. So, wisdom is drawn. What is the nature of the wisdom? Firm conclusions, in the form of firm conclusions. Wisdom of what? The contents of the Vedas. So, the wisdom, the firm wisdom of the contents of the Vedas is called Vijnanam. So, Vedartha Vishaya Buddhi Nischayatmika Vijnanam. That is Vijnanam. So now, if you really think about it, the Vijnanam is according to Acharya. Real wisdom is that firm conclusions arrived upon or after ascertaining the correct understanding or ascertaining the Vedas, leading to firm conclusions or firm understanding is called as Vijnanam. Now, what is our Vijnanam? Our Vijnanam, the subject matter is the world. Now, tell me, what is that we can conclusively arrive about the nature of the world or any vastu in the world? Conclusively, except without bringing the Vedic standpoint of view. Don't bring Vedic standpoint of view. Ascertain the nature of the objects or anything that is there in the world. Not philosophically. You cannot ascertain. Why? Everything is subjected to change. Every vastu is changing. So we actually speaking, we nothing about any individual, about any vastu. We cannot come to any conclusion regarding the world and its objects without bringing the viewpoint taken by the Vedas or philosophy or Upanishads or whatever it is. Because the moment you bring, without, suppose Vedas you bring, from the standpoint of Vedic wisdom, yes, I can say, what is the nature of the world? Jagati iti jagat, that which is constantly changing. It is the nature of this jagat. What is ascertained? I ascertained the nature of the world, nature of experiences, nature of events and incidents. Everything in the jagat is constantly changing, subjected to change. So change is the only changeless law. That is the ascertainment I concluded regarding the world with the help of Shruti here. Without Shruti Mata help, कोई चीज़ का वस्तु का अपना सत्ता ही नहीं है ठीक से इस ढंग से सत्ता माने सत्ता फ्रॉम स्टैंड पॉइंट ऑफ वेदांता इज देयर otherwise everything is subjected to change. So here at all a wisdom is firm. How can you get a wisdom, firm wisdom about the things and beings which are subjected to change? How can your wisdom be firm when the wisdom of an object about which you are gained is still subjected to change? जो परिवर्तनशील वस्तु है उसका जब आप ज्ञान लेते हैं, विजडम, वो ज्ञान में क्या कुछ स्थिति होती है, स्थिरता होती है क्या? नहीं होती है। वही वस्तु इटसेल्फ इज बदलती रहती है। तो रिगार्डिंग द चेंजिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स हाउ कैन आई हैव अ फर्म विजडम? तो जैसी वस्तु की बदलाव आते रहते हैं, मैं भी, मेरा परसेप्शंस आल्सो आई कीप चेंजिंग and every time I am updating my knowledge and wisdom, and that is called wisdom. But it is not firm, because wisdom also is changing, because the wisdom of the objects of the world outside, because the objects of the world outside are subjected to change, my wisdom is also not firm. But Vedas are eternal. Eternality of the Vedas were proved in the last Anuvaka. Modes of the mind and everything we saw. So therefore, what is Vijnanam? Vedartha Vishaya Buddhihi, Nishchayatmika Buddhihi Vijnanam. That alone is Vijnanam. Why? That knowledge which speaks about the truth and which doesn't change. Jagati iti Jagat, it doesn't change. Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya, from the highest standpoint of view, it doesn't change. Think. Veda Dharma, Vedic knowledge is not changing. Even North Pole and South Pole also are changing for every millions of years. Today's North Pole was once upon a time South Pole. That also is changing. Science also is changing. The physical laws are changing. Chemical laws are changing. Properties are changing. So which wisdom is firm? So when the wisdom, knowledge we are gaining about the changing things, how can our wisdom be firm? Therefore Maharaj, very clearly, Veda Artha Vishaya Nishchayatmika ya Buddhihi Nishchayatmika Vijnanam. That is Vijnanam. So Tacha means that Vijnanam. Adhyavasaya Lakshanam Antakaranasya Dharmaha. Now that Vijnanam, what is that Vijnanam? Vijnanam is Antakarana Dharma. It is in characteristics of the inner instrument, internal organ. That is Antakaranasya Dharma eva. What is Jnanam? Antakarana Dharma. Vijnanam. It is Antakarana only. Not Suddha Jnanam I am talking about. Any other knowledge, it's another guna. Another dharma of Antakarana. So Tacha Vijnanam, that is Vijnanam. Adhyavasaya Lakshanam, that Vijnanam. What is Vijnanam made up of? It is made up of in the form of firm conclusions. Adhyavasaya Lakshanam. Now what is Vijnanam? Vijnanamaya Sharira, Vijnanamaya Kosha is, what is Vijnanam? The knowledge of the Vedas, which is wisdom, which remains. So what is Vijnanamaya Kosha? Vijnanamaya Kosha, now I am coming down a little bit, is nothing but comprising or consisting of various conclusions. It's wonderful. Now, two types of conclusion. If the Vijnanam of yours is pertaining to the Veda Jnanam, it is Nishchaya. What you call Vijnanam is, if the knowledge is pertaining to the world outside, it is not Nishchayam. But every moment, at any time, Vijnanamaya Kosham is nothing but conclusions. Isvat, what is your Vijnanamaya Kosha? Conclusions. Tomorrow your wisdom changes, your conclusions might change related to the world, not the Vedic knowledge. But at any given point of time, your Vijnanamaya Kosha consists only firm conclusions. Beautiful. What is my Vijnanamaya Kosham? My Vijnanamaya Kosham is the firm conclusions of my intellect, pertaining to the outer world also, but subjected to change tomorrow when I add new knowledge to myself. You have to think a lot. It's very wonderful. Tacha Adhyavasaya Lakshanam. What is the Adhyavasaya Lakshanam? What is that? The firm conclusions. Where are they? Antakarana Dharmam. Antakaranasya Dharmam. dharma. It is nothing but a characteristic of Antakarana. So what is knowledge? Antakarana dharma. What is Manomaya, modes of Prakriti, subjected to change, Yajudeva? What is Vijnanamaya? Conclusions. Your ideas, your paradigm, your notions, your prejudices, whatever you are concluded upon at that moment, presently. Now, this person is like that only. That conclusion is my wisdom now. Tomorrow it may change. But every given a moment, what are you? A bundle. What is your intellect? A bundle of conclusions. My buddhi, a bundle of conclusions. What management you need other than this? Wonderful. If the conclusions are related to the subject matter of Vedas, it is permanent. The conclusions in your intellect are related to the world, not form, you change. So in every Vijnanamaya Kosha, majority, how many of us have the Vedic knowledge? Very less. So we can say two portions are there. Some part of the Vijnanamaya Kosha remains firm, that which is the knowledge of or wisdom pertaining to the Vedas, and majority of the portion is subjected to change. Now you would have definitely studied Taittiriya Upanishad before we started here. Maybe you would have studied, heard. We already came to conclusion earlier that this is what Taittiriya Upanishad is, I know. When you start reading, conclusion changed. Similarly, everything. That means our body, intellectual body is constantly changing. Old conclusions are replaced with new conclusions. So our wisdom is changing. Now there is no firmness in wisdom only because the knowledge what we have gained, wisdom we have gained is related to the changing phenomenon and not that changeless phenomenon. So knowledge is Antakaranasya dharma. Tanmayaha. Tanmayaha, it is full of that. That is what? Full of Vijnanamaya is nothing but Nischaya Vijnanaihi Pramana Swarupaihi Nirvartita Atma Vijnanamaya. So Vijnanamaya is a Atma. Vijnanamaya Atma, Tanmayaha, Vijnanamaya Atma is what? Consisting of Nischaya Vijnanaihi, well ascertained knowledge. What is Vijnanamaya? Nischaya Vijnana. It consists of the well ascertained knowledge. Tanmayaha, it is made up of that only, Vijnanamaya Kosha. Nischaya Vijnana. And what is that? Pramana Swarupaihi. That conclusions drawn upon by you, Nischaya Vijnana, has got a very good pramana. With authoritative. Pramana ke saath. तो प्रमाण के द्वारा किया संप्राप्त किया हुआ ज्ञान जब वो फर्म होता है, अंदर स्थिर रहता है और एक निश्चय पर पहुंच जाता है, दैट इज निश्चय विज्ञानम. सो निश्चय विज्ञानम हैज टू बी सपोर्टेड बाय स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रमाणा. द प्रमाणास आर नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग, द नॉलेज कैन शेक एट एनी टाइम. दैट इज व्हाई इन Pramana Vichara, Prameya Vichara. Both are exhaustively given to us by the masters. So Nischaya. Pramana Swarupai Nirvartita. So that is Atma Vijnanamaya. So what is Vijnanamaya Atma? Vijnanamaya Atma is a bundle of well ascertained knowledge. That is Tanmaya, consisting of well ascertained knowledge. And what is the nature of that knowledge? Authoritative, meaning pramana. That is reason why very simple practice you take up in life. तो अपने आप के बुद्धिमय जो विज्ञानमय कोश को बिगाड़ना नहीं चाहते आप, यदि एक सिंपल सरल साधना आप अपने जीवन में अपनाइएगा. क्या है? प्रमाण के बिना कोई ज्ञान का आप कोई ज्ञान मानना नहीं चाहिए. Somebody recently, when I was traveling in some place, some people are practicing, youth only, some kind of a scenes from Mahabharatam, something. They are just practicing. Some of the portions which are not read yet, so I don't know, I could not tell them, but I only tell them. You just don't write dialogues. Duryodhana told this, Dhritarashtra told this, only to create impression in the audience. इसका प्रमाण तो ढूंढो निकालो. So some portions where I was strong, I have studied, then I could tell them. But some portions which are not yet studied, still huge portion is there. So I told them, Maharaj, तुम search करो. Just throw it, don't write a dialogue. It is, we have no freedom to write. It is not you are written by Mahabharatam by you. Praman le लो. So one simple practice. Somebody tells something, don't believe, praman. And sometimes the Vyakti, pramana is, the Vyakti himself can become a pramana. Like Guru Vakya, Guru told, it's a pramanam for me. When Guru tells, I don't have to search for any scripture. A Strotriya Brahmanishta or a great Acharyas, when they tell us, we will take it as a pramana. But Guru, Sache Guru, Sahi Guru jo hai, they also refer, like Acharya. Every time he is giving pramana for us. Shruti pramana he is quoting. Every left and right, every place, Shruti pramana is given. So he is not telling that, I am telling you, you believe. No, no. It is Shruti Vachana, Shruti Vachanat. It is a Shruti mention says, I am not telling. Every Chandogya, Brihadaranyaka, Kaustiki Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Aranyaka. Everywhere he is quoting Acharya. Why? Pramana is giving us. So, with the help, any knowledge, simple sadhana is, do not get carried away by different statements. Unless there are no certain areas of knowledge, there is no need for you to come to a conclusion urgently at that time because some stupid fellow had told you. No need of conclusion. You can suspend that conclusion. But there is no hurry and it is not useful also to you directly. मेरे ख्याल से उनको कुछ बीमार पड़ गया. I think it's a cancer. Immediately don't call the person and say, how is your cancer? First degree, second degree. And sometimes we don't hear properly death news. परिवार में कोई मर गया इतना तो जानकारी ले लिया. कौन मरा पता नहीं. आपको तो बताया गया ठीक से. But in that anxiety or hesitated mind, you don't know whether that old lady died or old man died. होता है कि नहीं, हुआ है कि नहीं. अब इनको कैसे आप फोन करेंगे. आप सोचा कि ओल्ड लेडी डाइड तो फोन किया, ओल्ड लेडी उठाती है. आप तो घबरे गए. अब आप, मैं किससे बात कर रहा हूँ, भूत से या भविष्य से या नहीं तो वर्तमान से. तो प्रमाण. And somebody tells, he is like that only, he did like that for you. Praman le lo. Very simple thing. So don't get carried. There are so many things in day-to-day living. 99.9999% of conclusions we need not come to conclude. Why? It is useless. There is no urgency of coming to conclusion. Suppose I get a news, somebody fell down in bathroom, broke his leg. Now is it right leg or left leg? I think left leg. No, I don't have to worry about that conclusion. But is it sure that really that person fell in bathroom? Yes. Admitted? Yes, I went to hospital and came and met. Met there and then came back. Okay, very good. Which hospital? Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. That much conclusion is enough. On that non-essential area, we fight and base our life. That wisdom which is subjected to change also. Now, Nishchaya Vijnanam, Atma Vijnanamaya. No, Pramana Vijnana Puroko hi Yajnadis Tayate. See, Yajnas etc. are undertaken only on the basis of Pramana. Pramana Vishayam. See, Pramana Vijnana Purokam. The knowledge of, with authoritative, knowledge with authority, knowledge with Pramana. So with प्रमाण के साथ संप्राप्त किया हुआ ज्ञान से ही यज्ञ याग आदि कर्म किया जाता है. That is the meaning. So therefore यज्ञादि हेतुत्वं च वक्ष्यति श्लोकेन. Next verse will tell, vijnanam yajñam tanute, because yajñas, the cause of yajñas and all vijnanam. So vijnanam yajñam tanute will come next verse, next valley. So therefore, yajnadi hetutvam. What is the hetu cause for yajna, etc.? Vijnanam. A firm knowledge. That is required. Acha. निश्चय विज्ञानवतः ही कर्तव्यार्थेषु पूर्वं श्रद्धा उत्पद्यते. निश्चय विज्ञानवतः ही इंडीड कर्तव्येषु अर्थेषु पूर्वं श्रद्धा उत्पद्यते. Wonderful thing. Now see, when is the question of Shraddha should be there? Is it before or after? Before. So, kartavyeshu artheshu purvam, before one is practiced. Who? A man. Man of what? Wisdom. Which wisdom? Nishchaya vijnanavataha. So, man, a person who is equipped with the knowledge in the intellect which is firm. So, equipped with firm knowledge, firm wisdom. That person, right? Before kartavyeshu artheshu purvam shraddha utpadyate. So what does it do? The knowledge increases shraddha. That is the meaning. So what is the use of firm knowledge with authority? It increases shraddha. It gives us shraddha. Why pramana bhutam knowledge it is called? Jo that knowledge what we gained through pramana. What is the benefit of that knowledge? Shraddha utpadyate. It invokes shraddha. Where? In all activities that we undertake. Ishvaraha is abhinna nimitta upadana karanam. He himself is the material cause. He himself is the efficient cause of the Jagat. When we understand this, that means just as cause pervades the effect, mud pervades the pots and mud products. Similarly, Ishvara alone is appearing in the form of names and objects. Therefore, whatever name and form I touch, I am really touching Ishvara alone. Therefore, worshipping that Prachaksha Narayana in any form is a great tapas. Therefore, with that bhavana, when I am doing puja also, I am doing archana to him alone. Who is that in the form? Narayana alone. Ishvara eva. The pramana is that knowledge is there. With this knowledge, when we do puja or rituals or anything, like Agni is the principle, so many things there. Knowledge is there. So when we do homa, shraddha utpadyate. Why? That knowledge regarding homam, knowledge regarding puja, knowledge regarding brahmachintan, firm. So that gives us shraddha. If the knowledge is not firm, not supported by pramana, shraddha na utpadyate. Very utpadyate. Right. Therefore, sa sarva kartavyanam prathamyat. See, in all the undertakings, what is pradhana? Shraddha. See? सभी कार्यों में सबसे बढ़िया, सबसे प्रधान चीज क्या है? श्रद्धा. श्रद्धा इज बिफोर कार्य स्टार्टेड. देयरफॉर तस्य श्रद्धैव शिरः. देयरफॉर विज्ञानमय कोशस इज देयर. इट्स हेड इज शिरः, श्रद्धा. सी प्राथम्यात् Shiraiva Shiraha, like as if, just as it were, it is head is important. Similarly, Vijnanamaya Kosha, head. What is head there? Shraddha. Beautiful. How much we have to understand. So, Shraddha is important. Shraddha is the result of the firm knowledge supported by Pramana. Pramanayukta Vijnanam Shraddha Utpadyate. So we can put it like that. Pramanayukta Vijnanam Shraddha Utpadyate. It creates Shraddha. Which Shraddha? Vijnanam creates Shraddha. Which Vijnanam? प्रमाण युक्त विद प्रमाण, प्रमाण सहित, प्रमाण युक्त, प्रमाण से जुड़े हुए जो ज्ञान है, दैट क्रिएट्स श्रद्धा. देयरफॉर श्रद्धा इज विज्ञानमय कोशा's head. What is right hand? ऋतम दक्षिण पक्षः सत्यम उत्तर पक्षः. आचार्य सेज ऋत सत्य यथा व्याख्याते एव. मैं हम लोग ने इसे ऋतम एंड सत्यम एज ऑलरेडी कमेंटेड अपॉन. कब? शांति पाठ में है. शन्नो मित्रशं वरुणः, वहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है. आप शिक्षावल्ली ओपन करके देखोगे, वहाँ पे भी आचार्य यही कहा कि व्याख्यातम, ऑलरेडी कमेंटेड अपॉन. तो पीछे जाना, कहाँ दिया? आप देखोगे कि फर्स्ट अनुवाक में सी ऋतम, व्हाट यू कॉल दी, वेट द्वितीय अनुवाक में शिक्षाम व्याख्या. फर्स्ट अनुवाक में that explain the Shanno Mitrasham Shanti Pata. In that, what is Rutam? Rutam Yatha Shastram Yatha Kartavyam Buddhau Suparinischitam Artham. That is called Rutam. Rutam means what? In the Buddhi, Suparinischitam Artham. Suparinischitam Artham, well ascertained conclusions. Okay. Suparinischitam. Acha, Maharaj, well ascertained. Ascertained by what? Yatha Shastram. As mentioned, conforms to scriptures. Yatha Kartavyam, with regards to your duties. Yatha Kartavyam. What is to be done in practice? What is to be done? Shastra indicates. So, and the firm understanding of that knowledge in the Buddhi is called Rutam. Shraddha is head. Rutam is Dakshina. Satyam Uttara Pakshaha. What is Satyam? Satyamiti Sajeva Vakkayabhyam Sanpadyamanaha. Reducing what you have understood in Rutam, that is practicing what you have understood in the Buddhi. Vakkayabhyam, bringing out in the form of speech and actions, is called Satyam. So Satyam is practicing. Page number 20. सबसे ढूंढ रहे हैं, मिल गया नीचे. किंच लास्ट पैराग्राफ. त्वमेव चक्षुरादि अपेक्षा बाह्यम सन्निकृष्टम अव्यवहितम प्रत्यक्षम ब्रह्मासि यस्मात् तस्मात् त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षम ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि. ऋतम यथा शास्त्रम यथा कर्तव्यम बुद्धौ सुपरिनिश्चितम अर्थम. मिला. देन आखिर में सत्यम वदिष्यामि सएव वाक्कायाभ्याम संपद्यमानः सोऽपि त्वधीन एव संपद्य इति त्वामेव सत्यम वदिष्यामि. सो वाक्कायाभ्याम संपद्यमानः सत्यम. पेज नंबर 20 शहनावतु में तड़शन्नो मित्रशम, दट श्लोक अंत में दिए हैं. सो ऑलरेडी व्याख्यातम. सो ऋतम. सो व्हाट इज विज्ञानमय कोश? हेड श्रद्धा. राइट साइड, राइट विंग ऋतम, लेफ्ट विंग Satyam. Now, Yoga Atma is written there, is it not? Yoga Yuktihi Samadhanam. Yukti means conjunction. Yoga Yuktihi, Jodna, meaning here Samadhanam, concentration. Atma Iva Atma. It is like self. So concentration is like the Atma Iva, trunk, major portion. Means what? What is the trunk? Like a hub unto which the Shraddha is yoked. Support, no? The support of Shraddha, Rutam and Satyam. Atma. What is Atma? Yoga Atma. Atmavato hi yuktasya samadhanavataha anganiva shraddhadini yathartha pratipatti kshamani bhavanti. Now, Atmavataha, one who is self-possessor of that self, Atmavan, who Yuktasya, by the very, Yuktasya means Atmavan, Atmavataha, Yuktasya Atman, of the one who is Yuktasya. Yuktasya means well concentrated. The concentrated, a poised person. Yuktasya, Samadhanavataha, for him, that Atmavataha, who is the possessor of that self, by virtue of his concentration. Samadhan, a person with high degrees of concentration, for him, Shraddha Adini Angani Iva, Shraddha etc. etc. Shraddha, Rutam and Uttaram, Satyam, sorry, Rutam and Satyam, plus Shraddha, all these three, Angani Iva, just like parts, limbs, Angani Iva. Yathartha Pratipatti Kshamani Bhavanti. What is that? No, Shraddha, Rutam and Satyam, for this, these three becomes Anga. For whom? For this Atma. What is Atma? Yoga. Meaning what? Only with the help of concentration, Yathartha Pratipatti Kshamani Bhavanti. Only when the person is associated with high levels of concentration, yoga, these three to him, to Atma, to that Yoga Atma, to which Shraddha, Rutam and Satyam are parts. So, Yathartha Pratipatti, they become fit for gaining valid knowledge. Yathartha Pratipatti Kshamani Bhavanti. Mane, Shraddha and Rutam and Satyam, unless they are supported by concentration, then alone, when they are supported by concentration, a person yoked with concentration alone, he would understand what is Rutam, what is Satyam and what is Shraddha. He will alone get it. That's the meaning. For the one man of concentration, to him, Shraddha, Rutam and Satyam are like limbs. Then alone, they will be helpful in gaining valid knowledge. Therefore, what is Atma here? Yoga Atma. Yoga is called Atma, trunk. Otherwise, if Shraddha is there, Rutam and Satyam, all these things are not yoked to concentration, what is the use? See, Bhaiya, meaning what? Maharaj, suno, Shraddha you have but no concentration will not give you valid knowledge. So, I have an equation. I have Shraddha but no concentration, so you will not get knowledge. Then only it becomes Atma, no? Yoga Atma. So, Angani Bhavanti, Shraddha, Rutam, correct understanding of the or ascertaining of the scripturals. Yatha Buddhau Suparinishchitam Artham. Yatha Shastram. As Shastra wants us to understand the meaning of its own verses or statements, if we can understand, if we could understand as it is called Rutam. But इसके लिए क्या चाहिए? Concentration चाहिए. So without concentration, Rutam also not possible. ठीक है, with concentration, without concentration, Shraddha is useless. Without concentration, Rutam also is not possible. And without concentration, if Shraddha and Rutam is not possible, do you think Satyam is possible? It is practicing impossible. So, ये किसका अंग हो गया तीनों? Yoga. Yoga means samadhanam. Yogasya angaha. So, yoga के बिना all these three are of no use. Yoga is high levels of concentration. Samadhana. Therefore, naturally, it's a common support to know what is Atma? Support. So, the Atma is supporting the head, Atma is supporting the right wing, Atma is supporting the left wing. तो इसके बिना these three cannot exist. किसके बिना? Concentration के बिना. Therefore, for that yoga Atma, Angani va Shraddhadini bhavanti. Like all these three become the limbs. Clear? Now, चार हो गए. Rutam, Shraddha Shirah, Rutam, Dakshina Pakshah, Satyam Uttara Pakshah, Yoga Atma. Now, Pucham. Tasmat Samadhanam Yoga Atma Vijnanamayasya. Now, therefore, Vijnanamayasya Yoga Atma. For Vijnanamaya Kosha, Yoga concentration is Atma. Yogam is Atma. Mahapucham Pratishta. Mahayiti Mahat Tattvam Prathamajam. What is Mahat? Mahat means Prathamajam, first born. Cosmic intelligence, the first born. Mane Mahat is Mahatattva, no? Mahatattvam. So Mahatattvam say from the total intelligence, your intelligence is born. So Mahatattvam Prathamajam, Mahatyaksham Prathamajam Veda, it is Srutyantara. See Pramanam. Acharya gave Pramana to us. What is Mahat? It is first born. Before our intellect is born. Where our intellect is born from total cosmic intelligence. So, what is the cause of our intellect? Mahatattvam. Therefore, Pucham Pratishta, supporting tail. Why? Karanatvat. Because Mahat is the cause, it becomes a support of our intellect. So, what is Pucham Pratishta? Mahapucham Pratishta. What is Mahat? Mahat is the cosmic intelligence, the cause of the Vijnanamaya Kosha. Therefore, it is acting like a supporting tail. Examples are given. Yatha Vruksha Virudhyam Prithvi. Now, what is the cause of trees and creepers? Prithvi. Earth. So, earth is supporting the trees, all the trees and the creepers. Similarly, different intellects are functioning. All are yoked to one cosmic intelligence. Your intellect is different, my intellect is different. Individual intellects, like a trees are born, different, each tree is different, but all are yoked to earth. Each creeper is different. In fact, we are all creepers only. Creeping, slowly creeping towards God. We cannot run, we are not huge trees, very weak creepers. कोई आके किसने कोई कुछ कह दिया तो immediately we get disturbed. Creepers. Anyway, so Yatha Prithvi, what is the meaning now? One cosmic intelligence, Mahatattvam, offshoots, many intellects. For all the various intellects, only one common source. That is, like all the pots, one common source. All the ornaments, one common source. For all the intellects, one common source. Example, Prithvi is a common source for all varieties of trees and creepers. So, Mahapucham Pratishta. Therefore, what is the Karanam for our cause of our Vijnanamaya Kosha? Mahat. Therefore, it is Pucham, it is stabilizing tail. What is it which is stabilizing? Earth is stabilizing all creepers and trees. Therefore, Mahapucham Pratishta. Sarva Buddhi Vijnananam cha Mahatattvam Karanam. See, Sarva Buddhi Vijnananam, meaning for all kinds of knowledge, for all kinds of concepts, for all kinds of wisdom in the intellect, the cause is Mahat. Because your intelligence is nothing but a small, tiniest, a small, insignificant portion of that unlimited cosmic intelligence. Therefore, all the wisdom in our head, what is Karanam? Cosmic intelligence. The wisdom is already there. So I could tap little bit and I could get that much only. Ocean is so big, but whatever vessel you carry, that much water only you can fill and bring. If you are capable of taking a huge pot, you can fill that water. But no, I cannot lift, I can take only lota, small tumbler. That much water only I will get. So as much we are able to get that information or yoke our buddhi into that cause, we get that much knowledge. But it is infinite. Therefore, Mahatattvam Karanam. For all knowledges in the intellect, Mahatattvam Karanam. Tena tad Vijnanamayasya Atmanaha Pratishtha. So, by that supporting tail, Mahatattvam, this Vijnanamaya Atma is Pratishtha. As into that it is Pratishtha support. I mean, rooted, supported by Mahatattvam. Tadapyesha sloka bhavati. Point into this also, there is another sloka regarding the Vijnanamaya Kosha. Right? Mahima. Tadapyesha sloka purvata. यथा अन्नमयादीनां ब्राह्मणोक्तानां प्रकाशकाः श्लोकाः एवं just as there are slokas explaining the Annamaya Kosha etc. taken from the mantra portion, Brahmana portion, illumined by Brahmana portion, slokas are there. Similarly, there are few more slokas and now explanation of Vijnanamaya portion. So Vijnana description was given. What is Vijnanamaya? It also has head, right wing, left wing, trunk and tail. Head is Shraddha. Why? Shraddha is importance before every work. Rutam is Yatha Artham Suparnishchitam Buddhau Suparnishchitam Artham. Well conclusions, arrived ascertained knowledge in the intellect. What is Satyam? Vakkayabhyam Sampadyamanam. Practicing, bringing out into that practice. For all the three, concentration is required. Without concentration, Shraddha or Rutam or Satyam are not possible. But where is this Buddhi, Vijnanam is supported by what? Mahattattvam. Why? It is a cause. So Karana only supporting all the causes. Now, what is Vijnanamaya? That we will take up next month. So Vijnanamaya, glory, and Anandamaya Kosha, introduction. So Vijnanamaya Kosha also is in the form of human shape, shaped after Manomaya Kosha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Arihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Arihi Om. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. Next month, dates important, write down.